somewhere in Dana Point, painting, oil painting when you don't know what you're doing, but you do it anyway. So I was in a rare patient mood for, meticulous painting, and so I just picked this Dana Point thing. I don't know if it's a hotel, probably a hotel, on a cliff that has some walkways down to the water, and so did a painstaking, patient, and try not to miss anything, but don't worry if you do, kind of painting, and I did it all with a very small brush, which is actually one of the cheapest brushes I own. It's the kind that's, 10 brushes for $6.99 at, what's that place, Michael's. And so anyway, just sort of plodding along, and, didn't look too bad, I don't think, but anyway, lots of fun. And, I didn't really have very many colors either. I had a bunch of old colors on my palette, and I was trying to make them, put them to work, and that's what I got, somewhere in Dana Point, oil painting tribe.